So in this Inkscape tutorial, I will be showing you how to create round corners here on Inkscape. So once Inkscape's opened up, so for example, if I wanted to add a square right here, I'll go ahead and add this wonderful rectangle. As you can tell, if I just were to look at the rectangle head on, the corners are not rounded. If you want to change that, it's very simple. Go to this option right here that says Node Tool. Once you're here, you can zoom in a little bit on the corners. Select this corner like that, and if you just drag this down a little bit like that, then you were to zoom out a little bit, as you can tell, what it just did is that it rounded all four corners. Once again, if I were to select this and just go ahead and drag it down, you can make it more rounded. You can make it less rounded, do what you got to do. But if this looks good to you, go ahead, press the tool just like this. And if you make it larger or smaller, the corners will still be rounded. So very simple, very straightforward. That is how you guys can create round corners here on Inkscape. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.